Artificial intelligence is not coming in the future. It is already here. And in the next 5 years, it will completely change the way humans work. But the biggest question is, will AI take your job, or will it create new opportunities for you? Artificial intelligence means machines that can think, learn, and make decisions using data. Unlike traditional software, AI improves itself over time. This is not the first time technology has changed jobs. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor. Computers replaced typewriters. But every time, new jobs were also created. According to global research, countries like the USA, China, and India will be most affected. Jobs that involve repetitive and predictable tasks are most at risk. Data entry, basic accounting, customer support, and routine factory work. Studies show that nearly 40% of current jobs can be partially automated. But here is the other side of the story. AI will also create new jobs in technology, security, and digital industries. For India, AI is both a challenge and an opportunity. AI will not decide your future. Your ability to adapt will.